Okay, so we're gonna do some cauliflower rice here. So there's a few different ways to do it. There's no real wrong way, but it's just really what you're comfortable doing. So the way I'm comfortable is I usually take the lazy way out. So I'm using this shoestringer, number 2, to do my cauliflower rice. What I end up doing is I just take the entire cauliflower and I just go like this. And I just go all the way down to where it's gonna go. This is gonna be one of those things where you wanna practice on that bag of carrots before you do cauliflower right away. So I'm just basically moving it around as I go. Talk about much easier than boiling water for rice, and such a great low carb option also. I'm gonna do this, and then I just turn it. Now, if you're not comfortable doing this, there is a different way. So, but when I do this, I'm gonna be going down all the way. I won't barely waste anything, which I love. And then, if I do want to do it a different way, I can take it and put it in the back of the hopper. I can put the lid, I can put this on, and I can do the same thing here. Now you are going to get a little bit extra in the back that are really going to be hard to cut that small, but, and then here is our cauliflower rice. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take maybe like this 3-quart and put the cauliflower rice in here. I'm going to add just a tiny bit of water. I'll put it on medium, which is about 300, 350, or a medium flame to a low flame. Put the lid on, and when it starts to click, I turn it down for maybe 3 minutes. And then I have cauliflower rice. So I'll add cilantro tonight and lime and a little bit of drizzle of olive oil, and that's our rice for our Mexican dinner.